Hello student, today we'll start our new chapter Respect Parents. This is chapter 3. Okay. So student, let's start. Shravan Kumar was a young boy. His parents were were old and blind. They had brought him up with great difficulties. They loved him a lot. Shravan grew up to be a very hard-working and obedient son. He always tried to keep his parents happy. He did all he could to help them. So, Shravan was a young boy. His parents are old and blind. So, they love him a lot. Okay. Shravan's parents, they love him a lot and they had brought him up with great difficulties. So Shravan grew up to a very hardworking and obedient son. He loved his parents, he obeyed his parents, and he always tried to keep his parents happy. He did all he could to help them. One day his parents called Shravan and told him, "Son, you know that you are too old and may not live long. It is our desire to visit some of the holy places of the country before we die. Please take us there." So, one day what happened? Shravan's parents told him, "Son, you know that we are too old and I don't think so we will live long. So it is very our desire to to visit some holy place before we die. Please take us there." So Shravan thought, how can they go to such far off places? They are so weak, old and blind. So his Shravan thought that how can they go there because they are blind and as well they are weak also. So he is little bit worried and just thinking, but he felt that it was his duty to fulfill his dear duties. He tried to think of a fulfill dear wish. Then he was thinking, it is my duty to fulfill dear wishes. So he tried to think of a way to fulfill their wishes. Then he had an idea. He took a bamboo pole and tied two big baskets at his either ends. He made his parents to sit in each of those baskets. Then he carried the bamboo pole on his shoulders. Shravan knew it was long travel, but he was a hard worker too. He felt happy to fulfill his parents' desire. Rather than being tired, he took his parents on pilgrimage. His parents felt proud of him. So he was thinking that it is my responsibility, it is my duty to fulfill their wishes. So he tried to he tried to think of a way to fulfill their wishes. So he had an idea. So he took a bamboo pole and tied a big basket a corner of the bamboo pole, and then he made his parents to sit of those baskets. So then he carried the bamboo pole on his shoulders. His parents was very proud of him. So that Shravan's day, he took his parents on a pilgrimage, means holy place. Okay. So students, this is the moral of the story, that we should respect our parents and we should listen to them. Whatever their wishes, it is our responsibility, it is our duty to fulfill their wish. So students, always love your parents and respect them. Okay. So student, let's start our exercise. Tick the correct options. Question number 1. Shravan Kumar was very hardworking and it should be B, okay, and obedient. Dash always tried to keep his parents happy. Who? Kishore, Shravan, Ram. It will be Shravan. His parents desired to visit holy places. Okay. He took a bamboo pole and tied two big, it is basket. He carried the bamboo pole on his shoulders. Okay. His parents were very proud. So student, this is your question and answer. I have given you only 2 questions. Okay. Who was Shravan Kumar? Answer is Shravan Kumar was a young boy. What was his parents' desire? His parents desired to visit the holy places of the country before they die. This is exercise. Oh, sorry, a question and answer. Only 2 question answer I have given you. You just please note it down. Now I'll give you some homework. Okay. It is already done, so your homework will be this. True and false. This is your homework, and then this is done. Okay, so no need to do this one. Only question number B and C. This is your homework. You just do at your homes. And don't be lazy to copy all this. So thank you, student.